Okay, so we're going into this garden Shabu in Little Ferry on Valley Road in Little Ferry. Never been to this place, but it looks like it's busy. There's going into this place, Garden Shabu. All right, go in. Let's go in. See what it's like. Is it busy? I don't know.
I have no idea.
It smells fishy. There's the vegetable bar, which is pretty good. There's a lot of nice vegetables. Leeks, onions, right? We're here for New Year's Eve. Okay, so this is the menu. This is the... We chose the lunch, which was $19.95. Included 4 meats and seafood. Okay. So this is the spicy. That's the regular pork bone, the 4 meats, and 3 seafood. Alright, so summing it all up here at Garden Shabu. They have a big variety of vegetables. I like the fact that they have onions. That adds to, I think the onions added to the flavor of the pot. The fresh onions, the raw onions, that added to the pot. The fish bowl, the balls were good. A lot of vegetables that added to the flavor. The pot was, the broth was almost as good as Little Sheep. It's close. It was better than Beyond, the broth. Almost as good as Little Sheep. Not quite as good, but almost as good. The meat quality was not as good as Little Sheep, and I think Beyond's meat quality was a little bit better. But for the price, it wasn't bad.
Here's the guy.
Okay. All right.
What do you want, iced
So I
tea?
got my spicy one. This is the regular pork bone soup base. The 4 meats, which come with the lunch. And 2 seafoods that also came with the lunch. So the final summary of this, it's pretty fair, not bad. How did we find the place? Alexa found it. I was setting up my Harmony Hub gift that I got from Christmas. And I asked Alexa where the nearest hot pot place was. And this Garden Shabu came up. That's how I found this latest tip in hot pots. Ready?